3 weeks ago, I converted this LED light bulb into a small planter, and I put two little teeny weeny begonia seedlings. The one that looked better actually died, and the small one is still alive, and you can see a small new leaf growing, so this one's happy in here. And this tiny planter does dry up pretty fast, so if you do decide to make a small LED light bulb planter, you could put something in there that likes drier conditions, like, the lithops genus, or, the stone plants that you can find in Namibia and western South Africa that take barely any water at all year. Anyway, I'm going to put this onto this base in this video. Now, one thing is, because these are ceramic, you can see here where there's like a jagged edge, and I don't want to scratch the countertop. So what I have here are small pieces of self-adhesive craft foam. You can buy a sheet in various colors for like $1 a sheet. Using a hole punch, I'm able to take it and get little tiny round things that I can use as padding. So I can put that there, and now I don't have to worry about it scratching the countertop where I place it on. Let's see, that's like sticking to me. So I'm just going to go in opposite fashion and just start putting little pads. And I'm going to put one here. Actually, I can do 3 and 3, and then maybe one in each of those if I have enough, and I think I do, so I don't need to go and punch out some more. Whoops. So you want to make sure it's lined up where it's covering the edge, but it's not hanging over to where it will look tacky when you place it down somewhere. Oops, so let's see. And you can cut these in little strips to take the shape if you wanted to. This is just a simple ways to use a hole punch and get little teeny weeny pads. And bigger pots you can put more on, smaller pots fewer. But just because I had that one off center and I want symmetry, I'm doing a little bit of overkill here. So then I'll set that there. And one more. So now I have this padding so it won't scratch the countertop and will look nice on there. And I can go ahead and unscrew this. I'm not going to unscrew it by holding the top part in case the glue detaches. In the video where I demonstrate making this, I talked about maybe caulking this to make it look nicer with some white caulk, but I haven't done that yet. I don't know if I'll ever bother or not. So anyway, now I can screw this on the other one. And we have a smaller base now, so it's not taking as much real estate on the countertop. So let me know in the comments if you preferred it with the larger base or the smaller base. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.